Kami akan memperkenalkan wisata yang ada di desa kami, yaitu Desa Parang, wisata Gurung Gadai yang terletak di Desa Parang, Kecamatan Hulu Gurung, yaitu di Dusun Tanjung Besar. Arah persimpangan di sini masuk dalam. Baik, kita akan lanjut ke sana untuk memperkenalkan tempat wisata kita.
It's Friday, I'm in love. Monday you can fall apart. Tuesday, Wednesday break my heart. Oh, Thursday doesn't even start.
Di sini kita baru sampai ke tempat jalan, baru setengah jalan di sini. Soalnya motor hanya bisa sampai di sini. Jadi raba beton dari anggaran dana desa baru sampai di sini. Nanti kita tetap menyambung sampai datang ke tempat wisata. Kita lanjut jalan kaki, tidak jauh kok. Ayo,
Let's go.
In the city near Piccadilly, don't really know how I got here. I got some pictures on my phone, new names and numbers I don't know, address to places like Abbey Road. That turns to night, that turns to whatever we want. We're young enough to say, oh, this has gotta be a good life. This has gotta be a good life. This could really be a good life, good life. I say, love, got this feeling that you can't find. Like the city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good, good life. So my friends in New York say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes you can't jump out. Sometimes they slow, they don't work now. We all got the stories, but please tell me, what there's to complain about. When you're happy like a fool, you let it take you over. When everything is out, you gotta take it in. This has gotta be a good life. This has gotta be a good life. This could really be a good life, good life. I say, love, got this feeling that you can't find. Like the city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good, good life. Oh yeah, good, good life.
kita sudah datang di tempat wisata Gurung Gadai, Desa Parang, Kecamatan Hulu Gurung. Baik, di sini kita akan melihat betapa indahnya surga Hulu Gurung, surga Desa Parang yang ada di Indonesia. Ini dia.
go away to lay your armor down, to lay your armor down, to lay your armor down.
Kami memberitahukan bahwa ketinggian Gunung Gadai sekitar 25 meter. Jadi tingginya sekitar 25 meter dari atas sampai ke bawah. Jadi dihimbau kepada para wisata yang ingin berkunjung ke Desa Parang, Kecamatan Hulu Gurung, silakan, karena kita semua bisa menikmati alamnya surga Indonesia. Ini dia tadi sekilas wisata yang ada di Desa Parang, Kabupaten Kapuas Hulu, Kecamatan Hulu Gurung. Baik, mungkin ini saja yang dapat kami informasikan kepada khususnya pemerintah Kapuas Hulu agar bisa sama-sama kita melestarikan surga Indonesia. Terima kasih.